Want an easy way to boost your HVAC business without spending a dime? Well, let's talk about customer reviews. They're like gold in the industry. Why? Because most homeowners trust online reviews just as much as a recommendation from a friend. After every successful job, don't be shy. Ask your happy customers for a quick review on Google or Facebook, and if you did a good job, they'll most likely give it to you. If you want to make it a certainty, give them an extra year of labor warranty in exchange for an honest review that includes a photo before you leave the home. These positive reviews build instant trust with future customers who are looking for an HVAC company. They'll see your great reputation and choose you over the competition.